Okay, so if you got any of these questions wrong, this is the video. All right, so let's look at the first one. Now I do the first one for you, but I'll go through it anyways. So this is an expression. I know it's an expression because there is no equal sign. There is x minus 8. So you needed to tell me the variables, the coefficient, and the constant. Now for all of these, there could be more than one. It's not necessarily just one. So for this one, the variable. Now remember, the variable is always the letter. So the letter is x. The coefficient is the number in front of the variable. Remember, if there is no number in front of the variable, you put 1. The constant is the number that is not stuck to a variable. When I say stuck to a variable, I mean like exactly beside it, no operation in between it. So those are stuck to the variable. That's not a constant, that's a coefficient. So this 8 is not stuck to the variable. It has a separation. And since there is that subtraction sign, my constant is actually going to be negative 8 because of that. Okay, let's do the next one. (2m plus 3 equals 7. So the variable is always the letter. The coefficient is always the number right in front of the variable. So that's 2. The constant, in this case, there are actually two constants. There's a 3 and there's a 7. And you do not need to put a plus in front, because if they're positive, you just write the numbers. Next one. 7 plus 2x. We need to find the variable, the coefficient, and the constant. So remember, the variable is the letter. So in this case, it's x. The coefficient is the number directly in front of the letter, 2. The constant is a number that's not stuck to a variable, and it's positive, so I write 7. Last one. T plus 5. Variable is the letter t. Coefficient is the number in front of the letter. Now, if there is no number, remember we put 1. The constant is the number by itself. Ta-da! Thanks for watching, guys. Have an excellent day.